So I'm at the Fashion Valley Mall in San Diego. As you can see, this is Bloomingdale's, and these are where the EV chargers are, you know, the point charge or whatever they call it. And if you just come across from here all the way to here, you can see the new 20 stalls urban superchargers from Tesla. You know, this is awesome. So this is for people with special needs, and as you can see, these are still not activated yet. So I asked Tesla, the Fashion Valley Tesla store, and they said they should be operable in a month. So can't wait, guys. I really can't wait. This is gonna be heaven sent, you know, to all of us Tesla owners. Beautiful, like 20 stalls. So it's gonna make it a lot easier for San Diegans to get charging done here, you know, especially people on the east side of San Diego, La Mesa, Al Cajon area, Santee, Rancho San Diego. So at least we don't have to go to downtown or you know, the Qualcomm Supercharger. And because these are urban superchargers, they should not be affected by somebody charging next to you. So you're always gonna get about 72 kilowatt of power regardless of where you park, you know, and regardless if somebody is charging next to you. So the best thing is that, you know, Fashion Valley is really convenient. It's close to the I-8. As you can see, this is the highway, and you can just come here either through the I-8 or the 163, plug your car here at the charger, and then you can go check out the mall, spend some time there, you know, and you can even Valley as well, you know. So can't wait, you know. Finally, we're gonna have a third option in San Diego to charge, you know. And I like these superchargers better, the urban ones, because at 72 kilowatt, you're not really pushing the battery charging the limit, you know. So I always prefer to charge a little bit slower, just so that it doesn't hurt the battery as much as I would say probably the 115 or you know, 105 or 10 or whatever, you know. So these should be easier on the battery. 20 stalls is more than plenty. We'll see how long that takes to get them full with all the Model 3s. I see a lot of them in San Diego, which is awesome. So yeah, so I'll post another video when I see them, you know, in the Tesla Supercharger map. And till then, guys, have a nice night.